Friends, Dr. Chan, good day. So I am reading Tending the Heart of Virtue on how classic stories awaken a child's moral imagination, written by Vigen Gurian himself. So the philosophical question it addresses is that how stories form moral character and responsibility for others. And in this book, Gurian answers that classic fairy tales nurture the moral imagination. It enables empathy and moral responsibility. So the author supports this by showing that first, stories embodies moral truths, and second, it portrays a struggle between good and evil. And lastly, it cultivates virtues of compassion and justice. So the argument's strength is its ability to connect its narrative with lived moral experience, and its weakness lies in its heavy reliance on Christian and Western classics, which limits its universal reach. And lastly, as a whole, Gurian's argument that responsibility for the other is awakened through moral imagination that is shaped by stories. Thank you and good day.